When it comes to field service management software, Jobber and Housecall Pro are two of the most popular options. Both promise streamlined scheduling, invoicing, and client management, but which one fits your business better? Jobber is known for its all-in-one client hub, professional quotes, mobile-first tools. It integrates with QuickBooks and Zapier, includes GPS tracking, automated reminders, and online booking. Many service pros praise its polished look and reliability. But setup can be time-consuming, invoicing flows, sometimes clunky, and pricing runs higher for small teams. On Reddit, some users also mention frustrations with cancellations in customer support. Housecall Pro shines with ease of use and quick onboarding. Its drag-and-drop scheduling, on-my-way texts, and card processing are fan favorites. It also offers recurring service plans and postcard marketing, features Jobber doesn't emphasize as much. However, users report that customer service can feel sales-driven and costs climb quickly as you scale. Some Reddit users warn about locked-in pricing and upselling. So if you want polished quotes, client self-service, and robust integrations, Jobber feels more enterprise-ready. But if you value simplicity, quick setup, and built-in marketing tools, Housecall Pro may be the smoother option. Both are praised for saving time in the field, but both also get flagged for steep pricing. So which one works best? For growing teams with structured processes, Jobber offer wins. For smaller teams who just need something fast and easy, Housecall Pro may be the better fit.